just finished a fat feed, and now we're gonna wander around and shoot some street, and hopefully it snows. But I'm gonna switch to GoPro soon.
Redo that, please.
Okay, it's better. Can you see the snow?
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm
Yeah,
good.
then I woke myself up, painted a scene they got my queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she rolls something that stank good, feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas a size 9. Somehow it be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really been buttering up the jam. Can me and you cuddle up with the fan blowing thanks? Yeah, I know you worry about the bitches and fan shows, but you was original, hands on in.
There's a kid, right? Okay. There's a kid. Whatever. Yeah.
No, that's sick, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you're excited.
I don't get excited often.
You shut up, I know you're excited. You get excited when sticking at fog.
Yeah. Rare stuff.
Thoughts of the past or the highlight shit. My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'm a lie like this. The rays bright all up in my eyes like shit. Chill, why don't you shut the blinds right quick, so I could doze off, maybe die like this. And I need nothing but good looks. Ass like Trina, she getting them hood looks. God damn, it feels like a Friday.
You see the little kid out in the middle?
I'ma stay up and light up until the sunshine.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good.
Got that. No, sorry.
That's good. She good.
You know how they walk into the light? So you just anticipate where they're going.
And then just meet them there.
Or like, yeah, look for sources of light. So your camera doesn't have to struggle that hard.
True. I mean, it's not even going to be a nice picture if you don't go in
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
light, yeah? It won't pop. Oh, that's
Well,
nice. Go for this. That was a banger, bro.
Picking her up.
We're done, bro.
How does it feel when it's quiet and calm? And will I be How will it feel when it's time to move on? Mother says kneel and pray. When it gets hard, I will roll those sleeves. Life can be so unkind. I will be found on the edge of the world, where there'll be no one around. Solid ground. Solid ground.
Alright, let's find the alley.
Why would it look better?
Well, that's what you need to know about your 85.
Like,
You need to know.
what's possible, yeah?
Yeah, you need
And
to
like,
know
don't even
the frame.
attempt it, yeah?
No,
Or like,
you should shoot it
know your
anyway.
limitations.
Like if you're gonna miss it, you just shoot it anyway. Maybe get some detail shots or whatever. But
I know.
I think
Just
like
try anyways.
once you get used to it, you'll know the distance. And if you see it coming from ages away, then you kind of know where to
How do
go.
you even focus when you like they're coming in from like no frame? Like they're not even in frame. So you can't focus.
So when I shoot like that, right? Because you know when you hold onto it, like
Yeah.
I think it's better just to
Try to anticipate where he's
no.
gonna
So like
stand.
when I shoot, right, every time I hit it, I don't half press, I just full press,
Oh, okay.
because then it'll try and pick something and shoot straight away.
Okay.
Whereas if you half press it, and then shoot, it's like he's already moved out of your frame. He's already like moved out of the
Yeah.
focusing. So just hit it like that.
Feels like a perfect subject, right?
Then get him, bro. Yeah, I saw him coming and then.
Hanging around on the edge of the world. Finally, no one around. Whoa, would you help me? I don't understand. Is it over? Am I losing solid ground? Solid ground.
Yeah, but it's rising up.
Solid ground. Solid ground.
Hey, walk down the middle.
Solid ground. Solid ground. Solid ground. Solid ground. Solid ground.
Janu. Iya, sama. Opa. Kampai. Iya.